One sunny morning, a boy named Sam was walking in the park. He heard a small sound, woof, woof. He looked around and saw a little puppy sitting alone under a tree. The puppy looked lost. Sam said, "Hello, little puppy, are you lost?" The puppy wagged its tail. Woof, woof. Sam looked around, but there was no owner in sight. Sam wanted to help. He made signs that said, "Found, cute puppy. Call this number." He put the signs on trees and walls. Then he waited, and waited, but no one called. On other day, suddenly, the puppy started walking. "Where are you going?" Sam asked. The puppy ran down the road. Sam followed. Finally, the puppy stopped in front of a small house. A woman came out and shouted, "Charlie! You came back!" She hugged the puppy tightly. "Thank you so much," she said to Sam. "You are a kind boy." Sam smiled and waved goodbye. He felt happy. Helping others is always the right thing to do.